Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see in front of me, this is a 1968 Volkswagen Beetle that Jason and I just picked up in Goshen, New York. It was in this building over here since about the late 1980s, and apparently they had a lot of other cars inside and outside on the property. The property is about 10 acres, so you can imagine how many cars they could fit on it. But I ended up getting this Beetle, and we got it all loaded up on the trailer now, and we're heading home back to Connecticut. So when we get there and I get it in the garage, I'll do a little bit more filming of it.
Seriously? That's terrible. I'm gonna go rinse.
Alright guys, so here's the Beetle. Sorry for the close shot. The garage isn't really that big with it in here compared to the other side. The other side is it's a few feet longer, but don't mind the stuff on it. Just cord so that I can get light because the shop light's dead. But here's the Beetle. It's pretty, all around it's pretty good actually. I mean, I said it's not as good as I expected, but for New England it's pretty good even though it was stored inside for 30 some odd years. This fender's probably, I'm not going to say it's the worst, but it's definitely not the worst. But wait till you see the worst. Here's this is handwritten service sticker. As you can see, it was originally Savannah beige with the beige interior, and these seat covers on it, I believe these are either from the Volkswagen dealership or aftermarket because they're covering up the one with heat plates, which is it's like they were glued on. I don't know how I would clean that if I took these off, so I'm probably not gonna. But today we are going to be cleaning inside here and discovering things in it. I know I already did a little bit of that in Jason's video, but hopefully we find some more stuff. This is probably the worst of the rust. As you can see, there is no heater channel from the A-pillar forward. Surprisingly, the heater channel is actually it's not terrible, but we got a Tootsie Roll wrapper, some screws, some angled steel holding the body to the pan, which you know, it works. It works. So who needs heat in New England? Seriously, who needs heat in the winter in New England? Come on. But let's start cleaning. I'm not gonna take the seats out because you know, if I take the seats out, I'm gonna take some more stuff out. It'll turn into the 67, which I don't want that to happen. I want to maybe make this a little daily driver until that 67's done. So let's get cleaning. All right, so we're gonna start. By taking some of this garbage out. Any garbage you can find. Anything interesting, I might keep. So there doesn't seem to be anything besides this gross house carpet, which I will be replacing. I'm going to make a video on that. I'm going to use Home Depot outdoor carpet. I've seen that on the Samba. It seems to work fairly well for a low budget solution. Because I think the cheapest carpet kit you can get is like $120. You saw this in Jay's video. Goes here. Surrounds the cut dash pad, because in '68 when they put the padded dashes on, they could no longer supply a radio delete plate because, you know, it's a padded dash. It would look silly. But you saw in Jason's video in here, this is falling off. Gotta fix that. This dash is falling off. Let me grab it by the side. So this was a hall pass on February 8th. There's no date though. Well, I don't think there was a year. Yeah, there's a date. Oh no, it's not February 8th. It's oh, that's 218 or 48. I don't know, but it's on June 3rd. Pretty cool to find stuff like that. All that's left in the ashtray is cigarette butts and some plastic, probably from a pack of cigarettes. So put this back in, close it up. Let's see, we got a pack of Marlboros. With one still in it. Still a cigarette in there. This I took off and put in here. This is the headlight ring. I don't want it to fall off on the trip back home. Let's see. Gross carpet. More gross carpet. More stuff. What else do we got here? Radio knob. Got a radio knob. Pack of matches that is empty. Let's go with the cigarettes. We got a piece of paper that looks like it probably had a sticker on it at one time. That's like in the carpet. Hey! The radio faceplate, that's awesome. Sapphire IX. So it's that 9. Sapphire 9. I believe, I'd have to check, I believe that is correct for a 68. Wrigley Spearmint. No gum in here. Too bad. I'm probably gonna throw most of this stuff away. I do like to keep stuff though. Big Red. Cinnamon gum. You know what? Let me go put a pair of gloves on. Alright, got gloves on. Got gloves on now. Radio knob again. What's this? Oh, it's another registration sticker. Saw this before. Truck Stops of America. I think it says tapes. June 8th, 1985. This has been in here since then. That's very cool. We got the ashtray. Look back. And some connectors for wiring. There's cigarettes in there. Wrigley Spearmint. No gum in there. Those connectors, like I said. What's under there? Oh, wow, what's this? Are these the original mats? No way. Oh my goodness. Looks like the original mats are down here. Well, that's a bonus. I would have expected they would have thrown those out. Well, now I can't wait to get this carpet out. Hold on. And the original carpet, too. It's a little, oh, okay. Well, we're not going to touch it. I'm just going to, hey, it looks nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Original carpet. It's not falling apart. I gotta look under the seats. What's under here? Oh, there's actually, you got a pencil, some duct tape. It says Volkswagen on it, so I should keep it. Nothing else though, unless it's under the nasty carpet. I can't really see. On the other side, I got some stuff in the way. I can't open that door, so I'm gonna stick the camera under the seat and you can tell me what you see. I'll have to take a look. Anything good? This is pretty funny. Put yourself in our shoes. Walk off with an extra $300 a month. No, no way. It's like a, you like sell shoes and make money. Alright, now that we're done up there, let's head back. Something just fell. Ooh, yellow and red wires under the seat. I know what that is. So you might be able to make a guess at what the next video might be. Alright, let's see what we got back here. We got a pair of socks, some big red seat belts, a straw. Yeah. Alright, let's start pulling this carpet out and vacuuming. And being careful not to suck anything up that we need. Headliner in this car is phenomenal. There's 0 holes. There are no holes in it. This is the best headliner I've seen in a Volkswagen Beetle. That's original. That I as far as I know is original. This is the best one that I've ever seen personally. It's yellow. I mean, it's yellowed, but it's not. I mean, you can even see people dispute this. You can see if it focuses. Those aren't real dots. Those are printed on dots. Then it goes to real holes. Back to printed dots. Alright, let's start ripping out this carpet. Alright, that carpet might be in the way again. Ooh, I see a coin. I see another coin. This is a penny. The year on it is 1976. Bicentennial. Time to vacuum. There's going to be noise. Alright, so I did the other side off camera because I thought it would be, boring. It's the exact same as vacuuming this side, except it's on the passenger side. But, here, let me sit down and show you what's going on here. Okay, so it's all vacuumed. This side looks really good, actually, with the original mat. But, I will say, mats are stuck. They're stuck to the floor pan, or the tire boards. Don't know what I'm going to do about that. These are the old New York registration stickers. Those are pretty cool. I'm going to leave those on there. This is falling out. I should be able to fix that. Should be able to... Oh, you can't really see that well. The side of the headliner's falling out. Should be able to stretch that back in. So this car also has one of the cleanest glove boxes I've ever seen. Like, this is the original glove box, and it's like, it's all there. It's pretty awesome. I'll clean the outside of the windows. But overall, I really like this car. I think it was worth the $400 that I paid for it, and I think if I clean it up, make it a good runner, it's probably going to be worth double or triple that at least. At least double. Let me do some window cleaning. Here's the before. Here's the before. Remember this. Alright, and here's the after. Much cleaner. You can see my reflection. Hi. This was under the hood of the Beetle in the trunk, and I looked in it yesterday, but I didn't really closely look at anything. So let me open it up. I have to put you guys down since I'm not using the tripod right now. Let me open it up, put everything on the hood so we can see what we got in there. Alright guys, so this is everything except for 2 fuses that fell out of this that are in the bag. So we've got this, this is a seal for doing an oil change. That one. Brand new. Brand new. Some fuses that came from National Auto for $1.33 or $37. Can't really tell. Road Baron brand. This is a Shell Nomograph mileage counter. I've never seen one of these before. It's actually pretty interesting to me. I read it a little bit. I'll have to read it again. Interesting. This nice CVS pen. In this this little mileage counter from Saint Labor, or I don't know how to pronounce that, Indian School in Ashland, Montana. This car came from New York, and that road truck stop, or that there was a paycheck, I think that was in Massachusetts. So this is from Montana. Interesting. All these cars have a story. It's very interesting to know part of this car story, that it's been in storage since 1986. Alright guys, with that, I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to put this on for the first time in 30 years. Almost complete now. Just needs bumpers. It's got a Volkswagen logo on it. I'd like to thank all of you guys for watching, if you made it to the end. I think pulling all that carpet out, vacuuming, throwing out some trash, I really think that it cleans the car up. It cleans it up a lot. I mean, the interior is just, it feels cleaner now to sit in it. You're not sitting on gross house carpet. You're sitting on either floor mats or steel. So, it cleans it up, makes it feel better. I'd like to thank all you guys for watching. All the new subscribers over the past day or so. We're almost at 1,000. We're at like 920 as of making the video. So, I mean, if it comes out, we might have 1,000 subscribers on Dopeworks, and it means a ton to me. To have that many people subscribed and watching the videos on these Volkswagens, it means a lot. So, thank you, all you new subscribers, all you old returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Probably on this 68 right here. Bye.